How to see who has access to Facebook page. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook page. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then, click on Professional Dashboard. After you've clicked on Professional Dashboard, scroll down to Tools. Click on Tools at the bottom left. And then you'll find all these options pop up. Scroll down till you find Page Access. Click on Page Access. Then here you'll be able to see who has access to your Facebook page. People with Facebook access, people with task access, and business portfolios with access. And this is how to see who has access to Facebook page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.